Hi there, my name is Mike Montgomery on behalf of Rhino Garden Supply, and today I'd like to show you how to assemble and install your 4-foot by 4-foot raised garden bed kit. So let's get started. Before assembling my raised garden bed kit, I used a rake to level and clear out where I'll be assembling everything. Then, I laid down a layer of mulch to help provide proper drainage and to help level everything out even more. If you don't have mulch, gravel would work great here as well. In your box, you should find 8 4-foot long boards with overlapping joints that are going to allow each of these pieces to interlock for a strong, sturdy fit. As you assemble your first layer, it's important that all of the holes line up to ensure that your raised garden bed is assembling square. And once you have your first layer of boards down, you'll repeat the exact same steps as the mirror image for the second layer. After that, you'll grab your 4 metal pins that are also included in your box and use these to secure both layers of boards in each corner. This is going to ensure that none of your boards shift or move on you and everything stays square and tight. And now that I've assembled everything on my garage floor for the sake of demonstration, I could do the exact same steps over again in place on the mulch bed. If you need any clarification along the way, don't forget to refer to your written instructions that come with your raised garden bed kit. This assembly video is just for a little extra instruction. Next, you can lay the weed barrier down in your assembled bed, which is sewn up at the corners to let water drain through while still holding your soil in. This 4-foot by 4-foot by 1-foot raised garden bed took a total of 16 cubic feet of soil, and once I had all of that in place and leveled out using a rake, I could install all of my plants. So there you have it. I couldn't be more excited with how this 4-foot by 4-foot by 1-foot raised garden bed kit from Rhino Garden Supply looks. Not only do the cedar boards look great, but cedar wood does great against the elements and water for a long-lasting raised garden bed. So thanks a ton for watching, and I really hope that this video was helpful. If you have any additional questions or concerns, don't forget to reach out to Rhino Garden Supply directly. Bye everybody!